Hello everyone. In this video, let's discover how to build a condition for a volume breakout. So this was asked to me in one of the comments in our YouTube video. So if you have any requests that you want us to cover, feel free to comment it in the comment section and we will take it up in future videos. So the comment was that how do you find a volume breakout? Now let's first understand what is a volume breakout and then we can see how do we build it on TradeTron. So you can see I have my TradingView chart open and I can see that I have a 5-minute candle. So my logic is that whenever the volume of the 5-minute candle of the current candle is more than the last 15 candles or 20 candles or so on, like it has happened out here, in that case I want to take a trade. So this is a simple condition for a volume breakout. So this is what we want to check, and you can check for other indicators as well to take a long or short trade at a particular point of time. So what we will do is we will figure out how do we find this volume breakout candle. I'll first build my entry condition. So I'll add a keyword called volume. Now do note that volume is a keyword where you don't need to use it in position. So you can directly use it as the volume keyword. This is because it depends on price data and not based on the last candle. So since I want to find out the volume of the current candle, I can either check off futures or I can select instrument name. So I'm selecting instrument name here, and out here I'll select my instrument as NFO and Nifty 50. So here, do remember that if I select only NFO and Nifty 50, it will give me spot, and spot doesn't have volume. So if I need the Nifty index futures, I'll have to just select current one and OK. Now, if this is greater than, now I'll select position because I'm looking at a historic volume candle. So I'm looking at these volume candles. So I'll select position and I'll select highest high value, and I'll select -1. This is very important. You need to select -1 out here. If you don't select it, it will not work as per your logic. So you select -1, and now in highest high value, I'll give my period as 20. So this is how many candles do you want to look behind for. So let's say I want to check 15 candles. So I'll select my period as 15, and my series out here will be volume series. So volume series is the keyword to fetch the 5-minute volume data. So now I will click on volume series and select my candle type as 5 minutes, and instrument name will again be selected as NFO, Nifty 50, and of course current month expiry, so that we get the futures data. So this way you can have a condition to check for volume breakout. Now some people also have a similar condition wherein they want to look at the simple moving average or exponential moving average of this particular volume data. If the candle is maybe twice the average value, in that case they want to take a trade. So let's now find out how do we do that. So in that case, again we use the same volume keyword. So my volume is greater than, so this volume is the current tick by tick data volume. So it is greater than, and now I will select position, and in position I'll select SMA if I want the simple moving average. Again, very important, I'll select my position as -1, and in SMA I will select my series as volume series, and I'll again select my period as 15, and now I'll select my candle type as 5 minutes, and instrument type of course will be NFO, NFO and Nifty 50, and current month expiry. Now since I want the volume to be twice this SMA, in that case I will just select multiplied by, and I'll select number, and I'll select 2. So if I want it twice, I can select 2. If I want it, let's say 5 times, I can select 5 times, and so on. So I hope this video on building this particular condition helped. If you have any other suggestions on things that we should cover, feel free to drop it in the comments below, and we will take it up in future videos. Thank you.